We'll start in a terminal window in the root of our project and type ngserve to see the app running in a browser. ngserve is the Angular CLI command that will bundle up all the files and modules and build and run the application. Now when we visit localhost at port 4200, we can see that the app loads. If we jump over to VS Code and we try to edit the app.component.html file, we can replace the default HTML that's in there with the app-product-page component selector. Now when we flip back over to the browser, we can see that all of the information that's in the product page components template file is available. So now let's refactor the HTML in the product page template to be inside of a new product description template. We'll go into a new tab in the terminal, still inside of our Angular projects folder, and type ng-generate component product-description, all in lowercase. Back in VS Code, we now have a folder with CSS, HTML, and TypeScript files for our product description component. We'll flip over to our product page component HTML file and find the div with the class of description. Highlight that div's opening and closing tags and every tag inside of it, and cut it out of the product page component's HTML. Then we'll paste that inside of the product description component's HTML, replacing any HTML that's already in there. And then back in the product page component, we'll replace this empty space with the app-product-description selector. In the product description component CSS file, we'll add rules for a paragraph selector that sets the font size to 16 pixels, font family to Helvetica with a fallback of Arial, sans serif, and sets the font weight to normal. We'll also select the image tag and set the width to 100%. Now when we save these changes and go back into Chrome, we know that our product page component and product description component are working as expected.